Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Bharu Patel. I'm a specialist essay working with Amazon OpenSearch service. Today I'll show you how you can build conversational search with Amazon OpenSearch. Retrieval augmented generation, known as RAG, is a popular technique for building GenAI application. It helps large language models to access and utilize external knowledge sources beyond its training dataset. Now, this helps model to generate more accurate domain-specific answers and prevent generating false information called as hallucination. Now, conversational search takes this a step further. It enables the users to engage in a natural dialogue with large language models. You can simply ask a question, refine that answer by asking the follow-up questions. The key advantage of this approach is it stores the conversational history and prepare the answer according to that rather than treating each questions in isolation. Okay, let's look at the architecture diagram for this approach. There is a chatbot application where user come and ask a question in plain English text. The text is sent to embedding model, which will generate the embeddings, and that embedding is sent to OpenSearch, which will perform the semantic search. A top key results from that search is passed to LLM here as a context, and the LLM will generate the response in natural language. So this is the RAG approach. What we are doing additional with this approach is we are also storing the question and answer for the current discussion into OpenSearch itself, which makes it easier to understand and respond to subsequent queries. So whenever the next query comes, we are not only passing the top key results, but we also pass what user had asked and what we answered, which as a conversation history. So LLM now has a more context about the user's past conversation. So we can generate more relevant response to the user. So there are main two building blocks for this process. One is a RAG and second is the conversational history. To build a conversational search, I'm going to use a new feature called agents and tools. Now, agent orchestrate multiple ML tasks to build a complex AI system, where each agent consists of multiple tools and each tool is responsible to perform a specific task. There are different agents available. I'm going to use a conversational flow agent for this demo. There are different tools you can use to build your own agents. I'll be using VectorDB tool to perform dense vector retrieval and ML model tool to generate a response. VectorDB tool will receive the question in a plain text. It will talk to embedding model hosted on Bedrock, get the embeddings back, and perform the semantic search in OpenSearch. OpenSearch will respond with the top relevant results. Now, these documents will be sent to another tool which is called ML model tool, which will send this rank results, conversational history, and the user question to LLM model hosted on Bedrock. This model will generate the response in the natural language based on the context provided and respond to user. Now, this setup allows you to link different tools together, where the output of one tool becomes the input for next one, and enabling a chain of action. As a part of this demo, I'll perform this series of steps to build the conversational search. First, I'll deploy a Titan text embedding model, which will generate the embeddings from the natural language. Then I will deploy the Cloud Instant V1 model. This model is used to generate the natural language response. OpenSearch provides the connector blueprints to connect to external hosted models. I am doing it via Bedrock. I have deployed the model, so I'll share the link with the series of steps. Once the model is deployed, you can check the status from OpenSearch dashboard, click on machine learning, and you will see the series of deployed models. I can see that the Titan text embedding model and the Cloud Instant models are deployed and responding. So this is ready to use. After that, I'll be creating the ingest pipeline and create the indexed mapping with the KNN field to store the embeddings as well as summary. For this demo, I am using the achievements of 4 cricket batsmen, and I'll ask the question on their context. So these are the achievements of 4 cricket batsmen: Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Adam Gilchrist, and Brian Lara. After that, we will create the conversational flow agent in OpenSearch to perform the series of actions. And then finally, we'll ask the questions and ask some follow-up questions to refine our answer. Now I will run the APIs in DevTool console in OpenSearch dashboard. First, I will create ingest pipeline. Under model ID, I'll use the model ID of Titan text embedding model. In field map, I'll use cricket score as my raw text field and cricket score embedding where the embeddings will be stored. I'll run this API. Then I'll create the index. There are two fields. One is cricket score for raw data and cricket score embedding with the for the embedding data. Titan text embedding model generates embeddings with 1536 dimensions, so I'm using the same number here. I am referring the pipeline which we just created, so that every time I ingest the data, this pipeline will be invoked. I'll create the index now, and I will bulk the data. So I'm just sending the cricket score. This will invoke the pipeline, get the data vectorized, and store it into OpenSearch index. So I'll create that. Now my records has been inserted. Now I will go to OpenSearch dashboard, go to discover, and select cricket data. Right now I can see that my 4 documents has been inserted, and this is how my data looks in OpenSearch. So this is the raw data, and this is how the embeddings look into OpenSearch. So these are 1536 numbers generated for this raw text. Coming back to DevTools console, now we'll create the conversational flow agent. As discussed earlier, we will use VectorDB tools and ML model tools. We'll use the model ID for Titan text embedding model with VectorDB and Cloud Instant V1 model ID in ML models tools. If you see in the prompt, we are using the cricket knowledge base.output, the chat history, and the question to generate the response for the user. Now let's create the agent flow. Make a note of the agent ID and replace it with the agent ID here, and ask a question. So we are asking a question: what is the batting score of Sachin Tendulkar? Now for the first time we are specifying the name of the player, and let's run the API. So based on the given context, it generated the response for Sachin's batting score. So yeah, that is as expected. Now with every response, it also gives us the memory ID where it stores the question and the response it generated. So let's see how it stores the conversation history. So in the input, it stores the question and the response it generated, and it uses this in the subsequent questions to refine the result. Now let's ask a follow-up question. Use the same agent ID here. Use the memory ID, replace it here. Now we are asking a follow-up question: how many T20s did he play? So here this time we are not specifying the name of the player. So there are data for 4 players, but we expect that to return the data for Sachin Tendulkar. And the next step, we also ask what is his test cricket achievements. Let's run this. Yeah, so it generated the response for Sachin Tendulkar's T20 international as expected. We did not, even if we did not specify his name, and the key achievements in the cricket test cricket. Again, as expected, we did not provide the name, but yeah, it based on the past cricket past conversation history, it will generate the response. So yeah, so this is how you can use the past conversation history to refine the results and ask the follow-up questions. Let's take another example, but with the new user asking about different players. So I'm a new user using the same agent ID, but asking for the batting score of Virat Kohli. So I'll ask LLM to provide his batting score. So it has summarized the batting score of Virat Kohli and given me the new memory ID. So this memory ID will separate the context of different users. And now I will use this memory ID to ask subsequent question. Yeah. So now it has changed the context here based on the memory ID provided. It is now it is now working on Virat Kohli score. So this is how in practical applications you can manage multiple users chat history to keep things organized. And the memory ID, with the memory ID you can store each user's conversation history and map it to their user profile. In this video, we built a conversational search with flow agents, a native feature of OpenSearch. With this, you can build a production grade AI applications within few minutes. For more information, check out the documents linked below. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.